Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to customize Shopify emails. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so what you need to do is, first of all, we can head over to our marketing section. You can see we do not have anything related to emails or customization. So what I suggest is simply search for email marketing into your Play Store and just wait for a couple of seconds. You can see we have email marketing in App Store. And the thing that I would like you to install is MailChimp, right? So here, if you can see that we have MailChimp going on, and you simply need to click onto this and install it, and you will be able to easily customize your Shopify emails. And you can see we have email option in here right into the MailChimp integration. So that's how you can easily customize Shopify emails. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.